Hey y'all, Sniper Trader here. It's Thursday, December 28th, 2023. Entered a trade this morning pre-market. This was that fair value gap trade I got stopped out of after hours last night. As you can see, it did hit this morning. But I'm kind of glad I got stopped out because now I get to make even more money. But anyway, my entries, this red line, and I have three green lines, which are my set or take profits. So I'm just waiting for the open, and I'm going to go make a cup of coffee real quick. But I'm going to keep on recording. Be back here in a minute. Okay, coffee's brewing. This fair value gap here triggered. So I'm going to fix it to where it looks right. Now we wait for the rest. I have the London session high and low, which ICT teaches the highs and lows between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. Eastern time. And then, of course, I'll mark the highs and the lows of the after hours as well. Dollar kind of went crazy on the, there's one take profit hit, two take profits hit. Yeah, the dollar went nuts on unemployment info. So let's see if that third take profit will ever trigger. Oops. Kind of looks weird because my line's there too. Come on, baby, you can do it. Here's another bearish fair value gap that triggered. Turn it green. Use these boxes here. I can't grab and drag it. Whoops, I forgot to turn off extend. So looks like pretty much all the fair value gaps have hit except for that one. Guess I should have put me a stop, but I didn't. Feel pretty confident though it'll get back up there eventually. Still holding above. Oh, looky, looky, these two hit. numbers are negative for some reason. Don't think I've ever seen that before. Just the freaking easy way. I just like keeping my charts clean. It's the only reason I mess with this. I want y'all to see how valuable these little fair value gaps can be. Now let's get back up there. NQ. Ain't got all day. Could actually trade that big boy. $139.25. Buy market. And then set a sell at 139. $25. Actually, 139. Let's see what my entry was. Entry was at 17. That ain't right. 17,127.50. See what happens here. As long as this dollar keeps going down, we should be good to go. Come on, baby. Just a few more points. Oh, I gotta go get my coffee. I am back. Not rich yet? What's up with that? Playing the patient game now. If it drags on too long, I may shut off the recording. Come back to it later. I don't like long videos. I don't know about y'all. If I'm watching one, unless it's like a live stream, I don't like to watch a very long one. It's kind of deceiving on a 1 minute chart, these candle sizes. And this is only like a 30 or 40 point range. I've seen NQ do that before in one candle on like a 5 minute chart or something. It looks like I'm like way down on money, but I'm really I'm only down what 7 or 8 points. from that low entry anyway. Looks like we're bouncing at yesterday's. What is that? Yesterday's low, maybe. Oh, that's yesterday's close. Good place to bounce. I wonder why I keep on clicking save. It's because a long time ago I learned that if you don't save stuff often, sometimes you lose it. So I'm a constant saver. Even if I'm working in like a spreadsheet or something, man, I save every time I do something pretty much. I don't like going back and rebuilding stuff. I think there's some kind of housing news or something at 10. Pending home sales. It's an orange folder, so it may make the market move a little bit. Greater than forecast is good for currency, so that means it's probably bad for the market. The way this market's been lately, I don't think it really matters too much. So we got news in 12 minutes. I guess I'll hang out till then at least. Usually during normal trading times, you can kind of go off whatever the dollar does, but in these weird holiday weeks and stuff, sometimes they don't actually correlate like normal, if there is such a thing as normal. was one thing I was noticing yesterday, and I'm seeing it today too. I don't know if it's a thing or what, but I noticed on these bearish down moves, there's really not any fair value gaps. Yesterday it was the same way, so that kind of tells me there's like no momentum really to the downside because they just keep getting wicked up. There's no, I mean, this is the only candle with the fair value gap that I can see right now. Yeah, no gaps anywhere else. That tells me, I think, the sellers are weak. That's what I get out of it anyway. But I don't know. I mean, the market's going down with the dollar going down, which is kind of not really normal either. So still think the buyers are in control. We're not making like new lows or nothing. Daily charts. Seems like when I'm in a trade, this 1 minute chart is slow. I guess I should say market movement is slow, choppy. I'd say 95% or better of these 1 minute fair value gaps usually hit though. The only one recently that's still open is this big blue one down here. That was from Tuesday's open, I believe. No, that's Wednesday's after hours move. Maybe that's the one I got stopped out on yesterday. Probably is. So that one still hasn't hit yet. I hope it don't until I'm out. But that dollar's going down, so we should be going up. Be interesting if this home data does anything. Coffee's good. I grind my own. Brand is 8 o'clock. Whole bean Colombian. Best coffee I've ever had. I don't know about these Starbucks fans. I can't stand that Starbucks coffee. Doesn't even taste like coffee to me. Guess I need to try Dutch Bros. They just opened up a place near me. Also got I think it's a blackout coffee that opened near me too. I don't really like to buy coffee though, man. It's like, who wants to pay $5 for a cup of colored water? I don't. Can make my own for a lot less. Can't even believe Starbucks took off like it did. $5 coffee that tastes nasty. There's one on every street corner, seems like. And they're always crowded. There's usually a line in the drive-through if it's like rush hour or something. Luckily, I don't commute anymore. I just trade. Seen a bear flag setting up. But it seems to be holding yesterday's close, so I don't think so. Thinking we'll eventually go test those highs again. 40 seconds till news. Pending home sales. I bet that's down because I think home data from the other day was down. Wow, now. Yeah, it's down. It's even 0%. They were forecasting 0.8%. So that means there's no change in the number of homes under contract to be sold. So what does that mean? Equal to last month, maybe? Who knows? Definitely didn't really affect the market. Doesn't look like. Still just him hauling around. Time to rock it. Looks like it might have affected the dollar some. Look at that. Just touch my entry and then back off. Sometimes it seems like my entries are like magic levels or something. I've also seen a candle back off like one tick away from hitting my take profit. It's pretty funny. It's like it knows I'm there. You can't have any money right now. Well, looks like this is going to take a while. So I'm going to close this video. It's already been like 40 minutes. So I'll come back a little bit later on when something's happening, maybe. If anything happens. Catch y'all later. Sniper Trader out.